Let me move on the final part of my presentation. Our results would seem to show that a switch reluctance motor with fully pitched winding can work. It has been shown that the variation of self-inductances is constant and is independent from rotor position. The torque wheel has been produced entirely by virtue of the variation in mutual inductances. For this reason, new machine is referred to as mutually coupled switch reluctance motor. Compared with conventional type, an increase in torque output has been achieved. As a mutually coupled switch reluctance motor has considerably higher end winding losses. To make an ideal comparison, it is needed to take end winding losses into account and to compare these motors in equal iron and copper losses. I'd be really interested in hearing your question on this. Thank you.